Hi, I'm Brad Wild from the Go Wild team. So we've started our summer now, and this is what's going on in the Guelph real estate market. If we look at our numbers from June, as far as number of sales, we're basically on par from June of last year with 218, so that's just up 1%. Active inventory, again on par from June of last year with 418 active listings, that's down 1%. As far as new listings to hit the market though, we are up 7% from last year with 335 new listings. And I think the main reason for that is that we had such lousy spring weather this year and it really delayed a lot of people in getting their houses on the market. As we look at our average sale price for all housing categories, it's $550,000 now in Guelph. So that's up 7% from what we had in June of 2018. Detached houses, they're up 6%. Attached houses are up 4%. And condo style apartments are up 3% from June of 2018. So we're up in all housing categories. And for detached houses, the average sale price now is $649,000. That has surpassed our peak that we had in the 2017 market, which is great. Looking at what houses are selling for as a percentage of list, it's 99%, so that's the same as last year. So we're not seeing a ton of negotiating. That is going to change depending on what price point you're in. And then for houses that are selling right now, we're seeing about 25% of those go to multiple offers and sell above asking. So that's down from the 33% that we had in last June. And of the houses that are selling above list, 80% of them are going to be listed under that $600,000, with the majority of them being priced between that $400,000 to $500,000 price point. Months of inventory for the market right now, we're at 1.92 months of inventory, so that's down just slightly from what we had last year. 2 months of inventory, that puts us in a seller's market. Now, when you look at the different segments of the market, it does tell different stories. So under that $600,000 right now, strong seller's market, especially between that $400,000 and $500,000 price point. Between that $6 to $1 million, we're still seller's market, but closer to a balanced, especially when you go closer to that $1 million mark. And then when you go over $1 million, we transition into a buyer's market. Now, that's normal for Guelph when you look at Guelph historically in the higher price points. Overall, when we look at our market, we're in a good, steady market. Sales are up slightly from last year, not a ton. Average sale price is continuing to go up month over month, which is showing strength in our market. You know, lowering interest rates as well as they just reduce the stress test also. All things that are going to help stimulate our market. Since we had such a delayed spring market and such horrible spring weather, I feel that we're going to have a fairly steady summer and that our spring market will kind of push through. And then we'll probably see a blip in September and October where things pick up even a little bit further. But then things usually tend to quickly die down once we get into November and towards December, getting towards the holiday season and the Christmas time. If you have any questions about the Guelph real estate market, please comment below and I'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks and have a great day.